Lost 42 or more locks. Good morning, good morning. Last night I put some plaits in my hair and I'm going to wear those today. Also want you to know that I purchased another hat with a lining in it. It's not the Grace LEA cap like the one I lost, but it serves its purpose. So this is how I'm going to wear my hair today. But I wanted to share with you, but before I share, thank you subscribers. Thank you so much for all that you've been doing. I really appreciate your support. You keep coming back to the channel to watch the videos, sharing and liking my videos, as well as commenting on my videos. And if you have not subscribe to my channel yet and you're watching me right now, come on and join the Gene G family. We are a family of loving and kind people who don't mind supporting each other and also discussing the love of God in our lives. And I'd like for you to join. So join the Gene G family. And again, thank you subscribers. Now what I want to share with you is, you know how important it is to keep up with your retightening schedule. Well, I had a client that couldn't. It was not her fault that she could not keep up with her retightening schedule. And in the process, and as a result, she lost 42 or more locks. She was in a car accident and could not report for her appointment for almost 8 months. Now, her saving grace was that she had a lot of locks in her hair. I don't know how many. I don't know who established her locks, but these were microlocks. And some locks were smaller than others. And that may be one of the reasons why she lost so many locks. I will show you some pictures of her hair before it was retightened and what it looked like at the end. And you'll hear what she has to say as well. I am just so glad that I could be there for her and take care of her hair. Eight months of new growth, and this one looks so tiny. I'm gonna do what I can do to repair and get this done. 3 times. Please tell me how you feel after like 8 months. That's what it is.
Yes, ma'am. It's about 8 months.
Okay.
I feel wonderful. My hair, I can see my scalp. I can feel through my hair. My locks ain't falling out. I feel really great. I think you did a wonderful job.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I appreciate you.
Okay. Well, this is what you lost after we had to combine some, and some of them completely just popped off.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's like 42 of them. And when we look at your head, we still can't tell. Thank you for watching. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. And you've seen that I love my clients as well. But I especially love God. It is the love of God within me that allows me, that motivates me, that pushes me to love others. Have a great day. Have a great day. Oh, my 360.